Hello, today we are visiting a new city and we are going to the museum, to the art museum. Ready? Let's go. Hi, my name's Keith and I'm from England. And today you and we are in a new city. We're going to look around the city. We're going to go to a museum and have a coffee. Oh, and you are going to speak English. Are you ready? Let's go. Wow, look! What a beautiful city! Now, you and we are going to the museum. Yes, the museum. Which museum? The art museum. You know, Picasso, Van Gogh, Frida Kahlo. Ready? Okay. Now, where is the museum? Excuse me. You ask, where is the museum? Remember, excuse me, where is the museum? Go on. Hello. Which museum? The art museum. Okay, straight down. Turn right at the traffic lights. Okay, and then it's opposite the bank. Okay, that's great. Thanks. That's great. Thanks. Okay, bye. Ready? Let's go. Well, here we are at the museum. Let's go inside. Right, let's buy some tickets. Oh, hello. 2 adult tickets, please. Can you ask how much is that? Oh, 20 euros. It's not cheap. I'll pay by card. Okay. Oh, thank you. Great. Good. Let's go. Oh, wait. I need the toilet. Can you ask, where are the toilets? Okay, upstairs on the 2nd floor. Is there a lift? I'm so lazy. That's great, thanks. That's great, thanks. Okay, let's go. Now, before we look at the paintings, remember, there is a PDF so you can practice speaking all of these words and phrases. You can get the PDF by clicking the link below. Now, let's go and look at some paintings. Wow, this is interesting. I'm thirsty. Shall we get a coffee? Yes, okay. Can you ask the attendant, where's the café? Remember, excuse me, Where's the cafe? Yeah, come on. Okay, on the third floor. Is there a lift? I'm so lazy. Okay, great. Thank you. That's great. Thank you. Okay, let's get the lift and let's get a coffee. Ooh, what a nice cafe. So, mm, I'm going to have a cappuccino. And you? A milky coffee, a coffee with milk. Ah, a flat white. You can say a flat white. Oh, you're going to order? Great. You say, can I have a flat white and a cappuccino, please? How much is okay? Even better, how much is that? Thanks. Great. Let's grab a seat. Well, I enjoyed that. And you? I'm tired. You are tired too. Let's go back to the hotel and have a rest. Oh, where's the hotel? I remember. We go straight down, turn left at the traffic lights, and the hotel is opposite the restaurant. I think a Vietnamese restaurant. Okay, good. Let's go back. By the way, good job today. You spoke a lot of English. Where's the museum? Where are the toilets? Can I have a flat white? How much is that? That's great. Thanks. Good job. You're ready to travel in English. But first, let's have a rest. Listen, well done. Your English is really good. So today we were in the street, in a museum, in a cafe. If you liked this video and you want more, now I have a podcast, English Made Simple. Click on the link below and you can listen for free. English Made Simple. And the first episodes are beginner level. Very easy for you. English Made Simple. Click on the link below and you can listen today. Thank you so much for watching today. Carry on speaking English. Good job, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.